Chandler, Arizona, and today I want to show you my favorite restaurant in this area called Cherish, and it's a neighborhood gem. It's one of those restaurants that's been around for a few years, but not a lot of people know about that. It's like a best kept secret type of restaurant, and I want to change that. I want more people to know about it, and I want to show you today why I love it so much. Let's go. With David. David is the owner. I see your friendly face here a lot.
Thank you, I really appreciate you coming and talking to us. It's always good to be in here.
I know what my favorite dishes here are.
Yummy! This is cauliflower tortillas.
But if you want a fully vegetarian dish, you can just have the vegan taco. What are the top selling dishes here?
The sandwiches are actually some of the top sellers. We have a really good chicken club. That's a grilled chicken club, so it's warm, it's nice and juicy. People really enjoy that one. We recently introduced the tacos, and those have been very popular. We've got a shrimp taco, we have a short rib taco, steak taco. Yeah, we do a lot with the vegan Impossible burgers. I mean, that's something that people really enjoy.
Oh, those are so good.
We try to create food that's healthy, that makes people feel good.
We love this place. This is an asset to the community. Another thing we love is the name, Cherish.
So we really wanted something that would embody the experience and the atmosphere we were trying to create. Somewhere you can come and cherish your time and cherish the people you're with and hopefully cherish a great meal.
I love that. Well, that's exactly how I feel when I'm here. Okay, so this is one of my favorite features. We're gonna do a little mix of Jamaica with yummy. Cheers. This is one of the most popular things in the menu. Short rib. And these are the steak tacos, grass-fed steak tacos. I'm gonna have a taste. I love tasting other people's food. If you're gonna have the steak tacos, you should have it with the cauliflower tortilla because you need to balance things out.
We are essentially farm to table. We make almost everything in-house from scratch.
I know that you used to be an attorney before, and now you're a restaurant owner, so I want to know what got you to switch careers.
Yes, I mean, I was an attorney for 12 years, a litigation attorney, and a lot of that involved sort of fighting over things, and I really want to do something different with my life. So, I mean, me and my wife talked about it and decided that would be great to do something where we could be part of the community, where we could have a positive impact, and where we could really try to make people's lives better and have like good interactions with people.
Hey guys, it's no longer a secret, you better come.
Are you a food connoisseur?
No, I'm just making a video to feature the restaurant. But
Isn't it wonderful? Food is fabulous.
yes, and I live nearby, so I think it's wonderful.
I've never been in this area.
Well, a lot of people don't even know about it, so that's why I'm like, I need to make a video because it's almost like the best kept secret, but it should not be a secret.
I agree with you.
Yeah.